Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I'm here at the House of Tools workshop, and I have another tool video to show you here. This is the Wera, they call it the Tool-Check PLUS Imperial 1. It's 39 pieces, and supposedly it's improved now, and I'll show you what they've done differently here. In the past, this thing would fly open possibly while you were using it or in transport. Now they've added this nice green switch, so when it goes up, it opens, down, locks. So everything's nice and secure now, unlike before. So what does this include here? Well, it includes a 1/4" bit, a bit ratchet, and that's up here. So you slide that over and you bring this out, and it's very small. This is really for tight spaces. And it's got 60 teeth, so it's nice and fine there. And it's got a little teeny switch here for going on and off, tight and loosen. So that's in here, move that over. Comes with this nice little chuck here that's a 1/4" as normal, and then it's got the retractable here. This can be put in your drill driver, a screwdriver that has a 1/4" opening there, etc. So it's very versatile here. So here, we'll show you. Here's a handle here, and I believe you just pry that up a little bit. So it's got a very small handle. There's again your 1/4" bit holder, but this can go in there, makes it a little bit longer. Now makes it a quick disconnect there. So you can add it to this. Let's put this back away here. That way. Again, everything stores nice and neat in this little teeny set. But this can go in here. So now, push that in a little bit there. So now you can use it. So again, got the switch here. So lift that up, open these up. So you got quite a bit of bits here. What do we have here? We have our Torx bits. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And then we have a, it looks like 40 there. So you got all your Torx bits. We have 1, 2, and 3 Phillips. We have a spade. And then, can't quite read what that one is. And then we have some security ones here. These are the Torx with the hole in the middle. We have some hex bits. We have some square bits. So quite a bit of versatility. This would be great for anybody who does electrical work or any homeowner who has a lot of different things in the house that could require this. When you become a parent or a grandparent, you have lots of toys that need batteries, and it seems like every one of them needs a different bit for that. You also have this one here that's going to hold your 1/4" bits. Then you have sockets here. This particular one, again, is an Imperial set. So we have a 3/16, a 1/4, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. So it's a nice variety here of the Imperials. Also a couple sockets you normally wouldn't have gotten in your traditional sets. But because of all the bits here, you can use your handle here with this adapter or without the adapter, either way, for all the bits that you have here. So this is a super versatile set that's very, very compact. In fact, it almost fits in your pocket. It might be just a drop big for the pocket, but perfect in a tool bag, perfect in the tool drawer, perfect in that little tool drawer that you have in the kitchen along with your tool chest, toolbox. So the Tool-Check PLUS Imperial 1. This is a great versatile set that has so much all-in-one for you. And again, because of that nice locking side here, nothing opens up till you want it to open. So locked, unlocked. So leave us a comment. Have you used this set, or have you individually used any of these pieces? Let us know. The nice thing about this set is it's all included in one. It's a nice little versatile set. And again, it's on the smaller side, so this isn't for your heavy duty work, but it's for light duty or tight spaces. However, you can also get larger handles. You can get a larger screwdriver handle from Wera. You can also get a nice 1/4" driver handle that's a little bit bigger, and all these would still work with that as well, and you've just expanded your set by being a regular size and a nice compact size. So leave us a comment. Again, do you like this set? Would it work for you? Etc. And also, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, we'd appreciate it. Helps us keep doing these videos so we can visually show you how the tools look live. And we'll see you on the next video.